You're welcome to Educational World. In today's video lesson, we'll be looking at a typical JSS3 theory for their NECO exams. Now, if you're a JS3 student who is watching this video, I would like you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and I will read the instructions to the question. Use all necessary drawing instruments and materials. All dimensions are in millimeters. Credit will be awarded for good draughtsmanship. The front elevation of the isometric block drawn below is indicated by the arrow A. In first angle projection, draw to full scale the following views: front elevation, plan, and right side elevation. So I'll be showing you step by step on how you can be able to perform this task. Know that you need to have in hand all your drawing instruments, your ruler, your massets, your set squares, and pencil. Now I would like to talk about some important things that you need to know. When we are talking about the plan, what do we mean by the plan? The plan is simply the top view of an object. What will you see when you are viewing that object from the top? That's the top plane surfaces. So in this figure now, the top plane surfaces are those indicated by the arrows. So that's what you will see when you are viewing the plan. Then we talk about the front elevation. That arrow A is indicating the direction of the observer. So the front facing planes or surfaces that you will see observing this figure is the front elevation. So you are going to see these following surfaces when you are observing it from the front, and that is our front elevation. Now we'll also talk about the side elevation. The side elevation, be it the right side or the left side, is the side view of the image you're seeing. So the planes or surfaces that you will see viewing it from the side, and these are the surfaces that you will see as the side view. So take those things in mind. The plan is the top view, the front view is the things you are seeing in your front, and the side view is the side view of that object. Okay, now we are going to the steps as follows now. And before I proceed, all lines are supposed to be perpendicular lines. So in drawing perpendicular lines, we use our ruler and our set square. I won't be demonstrating that now, but I'm just trying to show you how you can be able to draw this diagram accurately. Remember, from the direction of that arrow A, the side facing us, the length of that side facing us is 70. So, and that will be the starting length we are going to use for this drawing. Okay, we complete it this way, as you can see. Then we bring our demarcation lines. Okay. As you can see. So this is the picture of our plan. So this is the plan. We draw the boundary line that will demarcate the plan from the front elevation. And as well, we will use a ruler and set of compasses and project from the plan upwards. From the plan we project upwards. Okay, and we complete the figure. So that is our front elevation we are trying to complete there, as you can see. Yeah, so the view you are seeing now is the view of the front elevation. So that's how the front elevation will look like when you are drawing your own. Then we also draw the boundary line demarcating the front elevation from the side elevation, and we are going to project from the sides to our line. All these places is very important. We project to the boundary line, project to the boundary line, and we project to the boundary line. And from there, using our 45 degrees set square, and our ruler, we project lines at 45 degrees from the plan to the side, and after that we erect perpendicular lines with the help of our ruler and set square as well. We erect our perpendicular lines, and we project lines from the front elevation to cut across our projected lines. And that is it. So here we can now see we have completed our diagram. Then we put our dimensions. This is 70 mm. The last one is 20 mm. Here is 40, and the other side is 40. And the total length is what? Is 80 mm. Okay, so we go to the front elevation and our dimensions. The height is 80, and here is 20, and so these are our dimensions for the drawing. Okay, and it's very important. Don't forget to dimension your work when you are done drawing. So like I said, if you find this educative and informative, I would like you to like and subscribe, and also share. Remember, all lines are supposed to be perpendicular, and you draw perpendicular lines by the use of your ruler and your set squares, be it vertical or horizontal. We make use of our ruler and set squares. Thank you so much for watching this video, and look forward to more interesting videos like this.